Hi, I'm Christina Poncher. Dr. Ari Novick is an anger management specialist whose work is being utilized in sports arenas around the country. He joins us now. Now, Doctor, you've worked with the NFL to develop a fan code of conduct. What can you tell us about that program?
Sure. Our Fan Code of Conduct class is a program that was developed to help improve fan safety as well as improve the game day experience for fans. Fans who are ejected from a game for violating a stadium's code of conduct policy, and that could be things like behaving belligerently as a result of drinking excessively or just having unruly behavior that's affecting other fans or just behaving inappropriately. And again, these behaviors have to violate the stadium's code of conduct policy. Those fans will be ejected from the stadium, but also required to take a 4-hour fan code of conduct class. And the class is meant to educate them about the stadium's code of conduct policy so they know what they can and cannot do when they attend games, but also teach them some skills. Skills in how to better manage their stress during that game day, how to communicate better with other fans, or improving empathy towards others. So the program itself is meant to be an educational, upbeat, positive learning experience to ultimately improve a fan's experience and improve the safety for everyone attending games.
What are the most common examples of disruptive behavior that result in fan ejections?
Well, the number one reason why fans are ejected typically is due to excessive drinking. You know, alcohol plays a huge part in why fans are commonly ejected. And it's usually behaviors that create an unsafe environment for other fans. You know, the NFL and the stadiums really want to create the safest possible environment for everyone attending the games, and they want to make the game day as enjoyable as possible. And so fans who are behaving in a way that violates their code of conduct and creates that unsafe environment for other fans will be asked to leave. You have to keep in mind that in general, ejections affect about 1% or less of all fans attending games. So this isn't a program that's going to, really hit a lot of people, but those that are behaving inappropriately and creating an environment that makes the game day experience not fun and unsafe for other fans, likely will have to take the course.
Now, the Olympics are right around the corner. For those watching either in person or at home, what are some tips on how they can avoid stress and have the ultimate Olympic experience?
You know, when you're attending an Olympic event, sometimes it's hard to avoid a stressful situation. You have to keep in mind that it's not the situation itself that dictates our stress level, it's our perception of the stressor. And so there's a few things you can do to help eliminate or at least alleviate stress. Certainly if you're attending a game, you want to give yourself plenty of time to get there, plenty of time to park. You want to try to attend the event with people you enjoy being around. Sometimes simply the company you're with can be stressful at times. But also knowing what you can do during a particular event if you've got fans around you that are behaving in a way that's creating some uncomfortable feelings or some stress for you. And so there's lots of variables that go into creating or feeling stressed at a game, but there's also lots of things you can do to help eliminate some of that stress.
Obviously, nobody likes to lose. How can fans deal with their country losing when the stakes are as high as they are at the Olympics?
Yeah, you're right. No one likes losing, and we all go to venues like the Olympics in the hope that our country wins or a particular athlete wins. But it's really important to manage your expectations and know that your country or a particular athlete can't win all the time, and to really try to keep things in perspective. Oftentimes we attend these venues with very, very high hopes, and when our hopes aren't met, we get upset and feel extremely stressed out. Put into perspective that attending the Olympics is also about having fun. As a spectator, you're going to enjoy yourself and to watch, some of the best athletes in the world. And if they don't win, or your country doesn't win a particular event, know that it's not the end of the world. The Olympics are scored on a global scale, so there's lots of venues and lots of events. And if the one that you attended doesn't happen to be a winner, it's not the end of the world.
Okay, Doctor, thanks so much for joining us. I'm Christina Poncher, and we'll see you next time.
Hey, everybody, listen up. Listen up, guys.
Hey guys, listen up.
No one should ever hit a woman.
Not their wife, not their girlfriend, not their date.
No woman should have to fear violence.
Especially not from someone they know and trust.
It's up to us, because even one is too many.
Violence against women hurts all of us.
We all have to take responsibility. So step up and speak out.
Because one is too many.